Hi YouTube, this is your girl, the plus size Kia B. Hi YouTube, this is your girl, the plus size Kia B, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am literally so excited that I'm making all these update videos. Like, girl is on the prowl. The girl is doing a damn thing right now. But anyways, today's video, you guys, it will be about this. Woo! Boxycharm. And if anyone doesn't know what Boxycharm is basically a subscription you get every month. Basically, they have makeup products, skincare products, etc. Just basically like beauty stuff. And the retail value of this box is over $100 worth of products. All you have to do is do a subscription only for I think they say $20 a month, but I looked through my account information. I think it's $22 that they take out every month, which to me is not bad when you're getting stuff that's over $100. Like, come on, all this over $100 only for $22. You cannot beat that. So without further ado, let's get to the video. Okay, so it comes in a box like this. It has the label Boxycharm with the heart. Oh, and when I opened it, it says "Hello Charmer." How cute! It has the information. If you want to follow them on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and Snapchat, and pretty much this is the good part right here. I don't know if y'all can see it. Comes with a card like this, and it says Afterglow. And basically, y'all, I have a bad cold. I feel like I'm congested. So if my voice sound very raspy, I am so sorry, you guys. But I mean, I had to get this video because I just got this box, and I'm just like, I gotta show y'all. I have to show y'all this because y'all need Boxycharm in y'all life. I'm sorry, y'all do. Because I needed it in mine. So it comes with a card like this, and on the card, in detail, it basically tells you everything that's in this box. And it basically tells you the price of everything that's on the box. So without further ado, let's get into this box. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. This is like a prime / glaze lip crayon. Oh, the Boxycharm crayon. It's by Trestique. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right. I suck at names like this. I think it's Trestique. And it says this 2-in-1 lip duo features a luxurious, luxurious lip smoothing primer on one side and a shiny color glaze on the other side. And basically it glides over your lips. You put the primer on your lips first, and then you add the color to give it like a smooth, soft, shiny effect. And this retails price as $25. Wow. So yeah, the Touch in Soul No Problem primer. So it's basically like this primer, like this, like the YouTubers do, like that. And it has like the pump, and I can just do it like that. And yeah, it just glides on your skin. So the description about this stuff. It creates a seamless canvas on your foundation with your new Touch in Soul I thought it meant no problem. It say no problem. Like problem. Okay, primer. The light silky texture blurs pores and wrinkles, giving you a soft giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Wow. So I'm not going to get much in detail of it, but it pretty much is a smooth and pore covering primer. And yeah, I really think the type of primer like this, it can really work without makeup. And actually I used it, and yeah, I don't have any foundation on actually. So, and I used it. I just used it. So yeah, it works pretty good. Works pretty good. Product is the Too Faced. This the one I've been waiting on. Like, I should have did this one last. Why didn't I do this one last, y'all? Why this last? But this is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Yo, this name alone, like, let me know what's better than sex, because I thought it was money. So let's see what this mascara about. But basically says, indulge in a mascara that actually lives up to its name. Okay. Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara separates coats and curls. Each lasts to voluminous perfection. Okay. So I actually did use these. Let me pull my head up because I want y'all to see. I actually used it on my eyes, and as you can see, it does give like it does curl up. So Too Faced, I think you're right. I think you're right what you're saying. I think that you did the right thing. Don't mind my eyebrows, because I ain't do my eyebrows. Okay, this ain't about eyebrows. But look at that. So Too Faced, I mean, the mascara, it does do the job. So, oh, thumbs up. Okay, next is Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleaner. It smooth and hydrates your skin while it's made for daily use, keeping those with sensitive skin in mind. So basically it gets rid of, it's a facial cleanser for sensitive skin, and it gets rid of all the dirt, all the excess, whatever that's in your face. It gets it out, and it retails priced at $22. So I actually just used it, and it actually did make my skin real soft. I'm gonna keep y'all updated on this. Let's see the bottle. Let me see if y'all can see that. So because I really want to see how it works, but I just used it, and pretty much yeah, it did what it said. It keeps your skin soft. So my skin is feeling really soft. You can't judge nothing just for the you gotta keep on using it. So I'm hopefully it works. So let's just say the Pretty Vulgar Shimmery Swan Highlighter. Wow, oh wow, look at that. Wow. I just need to open this, because this packaging, first of all, is beautiful. Look, I'm spit. When I spit, you guys, and I don't be meaning to spit, but when I spit, I get excited. You know, like some people holler when they get excited. You know, I tend to do that, but sometimes I spit. I just can't help it. I be trying to, I don't know, when I get too excited and I like to talk, I'm not a lot. Now, I'm not going around spitting on bitches. That's just not what it is. But when I tend to get happy, yeah, unfortunately, you guys, I do that. So let's get back to this. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Wow. Let's see. Oh, look how cute. Oh my gosh. Now that's nice. Ooh. It's okay, pretty vulgar. Okay, pretty vulgar. Okay, so basically it says allow your skin to capture the light in any room. Yeah, I basically did. You walk into with this unique velvety smooth highlight. It's very infused with glow-loving, light-reflecting, and pearlescent pigments. This highlighter will give your skin the perfect amount of brightness. That's right, $32. Goddamn, but whoo! Yes. The packaging and how it is definitely worth $32. I just couldn't picture myself actually just getting this thing on its own for $32. I just couldn't picture myself paying $32 for a highlighter. But damn, pretty vulgar. You know, y'all came in the Boxycharm box, so I'm holding it down. Let me stop. But I think that is it. I don't know if I said this, how much they are if we was to regularly purchase them. This box is most definitely worth $20 a month. I will agree. And it's definitely worth it. Will I recommend this box to anyone like me that is trying to really get the feel of makeup, but not really that much into makeup, but don't really want to go out and buy $32 makeup just for one thing or something like that? I most definitely recommend it for people like me that are I wouldn't say cheap, but that are on a budget, you know, that are mothers, you know, that are college students. I'm not a college student, but I'm just speaking on college students that don't have it together, meaning money wise. You know, a lot of us don't have it together, and I feel like Boxycharm not only did this box, thought it was a good idea, but I feel like they thought it through very well. Looked out for the everyday people like myself that are on a budget, that don't have that much to be paying. Then what I like about Boxycharm is the fact that it's full size. I love the fact that it's full size. It's so many subscription brands like this, for instance, that I've been to in the past were awful. They would give you little sample sizes. I don't want no damn sample size. How I'm gonna tell if something good if you're not giving me the full size? Like, I need full size. I don't need a sample size, baby. Give me the full size. I need full size. And I really appreciate Boxycharm. This is not a sponsored video. Boxycharm did not sponsor me to do this video. I'm doing this video on my own because I'm absolutely pleased every month. And I just started getting Boxycharm subscription, but I've been very pleased. Like, my mama could tell y'all, like, I literally be so excited getting this box. Like, this box is a good deal. It's not bad at all. And I just, you know, just want everyone to just get a little charm in their life. Get Boxycharm. But enough of this video. Just go to the Instagram, go to the Facebook, and just check out Boxycharm. If you're not sure, look at other reviews as well. I'm pretty sure they will have good reviews because Boxycharm is really a good deal. You can't beat that for high-end makeup brands and skincare brands. You cannot beat that at all. I feel like if you talking about they too high, then I feel like you complaining at that point. I feel like you complaining, and nobody has time to be complaining about something that's so much of a good deal. So please check out Boxycharm. I promise you, you will not be disappointed at all. And again, thank y'all for watching this video. Please like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to comment. Give me suggestions. See, I'm spitting again. I'm getting happy. Give me feedback on this video, you guys. Let me know what you like about Boxycharm. If you don't like about Boxycharm, why? And I feel like I shouldn't have that in my comment section because I feel like everybody loves Boxycharm. Boxycharm is very good. So just let me know other videos that you would like to see from me. Give me feedback. I'm open to hearing everything, you guys. So thanks again, you guys, for watching my YouTube channel. Peace. Yeah, gang, gang, gang.